Om Sai Ram. My humble pranams at the lotus feet of Bhagavan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. May I kindly request the lady devotees to light the Sai Jyoti and inaugurate the program. Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Yes, this is the grand Guru Purnima celebrations of 2020 from the Karnataka chapter. May I kindly request Sri Sai Nagesh, the All India President of Sri Sanjay Sai Seva Organization, to welcome Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba and also to address the gathering.
पूज्याय श्री संजय साई नाथाय श्रद्धा भक्तिरधाय च भजतां फलप्रदायकाय नमतां दिव्यरूपिणे. My most humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Lord Bhagavan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. Dearest Swami, we humbly and heartily invite you to grace the Guru Purnima celebrations 2020. I also invite our dear brothers and sisters to these great celebrations of Guru Purnima. A very rare treat indeed is happening because of dearest Swami's Sankalpa, even in these trying times which the whole world is facing. Bhagavan, your Sankalpa to hold this divine program under these trying circumstances is just amazing. The Karnataka chapter humbly dedicates the divine program at the divine lotus feet of His Holiness Bhagavan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. Not forgetting the deadly coronavirus, we ardently pray to you to rid this terrible virus from our Mother Earth. Our brothers and sisters, let us leave this great problem at His divine lotus feet and also serve the society in whatever way we can. Let us all join the grand Guru Purnima celebrations now. Dearest Bhagavan, we thank you immensely for giving us this great opportunity to be a part of Guru Purnima celebrations.
Named by Swami himself, Kumari Kanakadurga from Bangalore will now chant Veda.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Ganana Tva Ganapatigam Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anash Hiranvannoti Bissidasadanam Prano Devi Saraswati Vajibhir Vajinevati Dinamavitrivatu Ganeshaya Namaha Saraswatyai Namaha Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Nigrishvaira Samayutaihi Kalerharittvamapannaihi Indrayahi Sahasrayuka Agne Vibrashti Vasanaha Vayushvetasi Kadrukaha Samvatsaro Vishuvarnaihi Nityastenu Charastava Subramanyogum Subramanyogum Subramanyom Shishya Anushasanam Vedamanochyacharyonte Vasinamanusasti Satyam Vada Dharmanchara Spadhyaya Anma Pramadaha Acharyaya Priyamdanamahritya Prajatantumma Vyavachetsihi Satyanna Pramaditavyam Dharmanna प्रमदितव्यम् कुशलान्न प्रमदितव्यम् भूत्यैन प्रमदितव्यम् स्वाध्याय प्रवचनाभ्यान्न प्रमदितव्यम् देवपितृकार्याभ्यान्न प्रमदितव्यम् मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव आचार्य देवो भव अतिथिदेवो भव यान्यनवद्यानि कर्माणि तानि सेवितव्यानि नो इतराणि यानि यस्माकं सुचरितानि तानि त्वयोपास्यानि नो इतराणि ये के चास्मच्छ्रेयागुंसो ब्राह्मणाः तेषां त्वयासनेन प्रश्वसितव्यम् श्रद्धया देयम् अश्रद्धया देयम् श्रिया देयम् ह्रिया देयम् धिया देयम् संविदा देयम् अतयति ते कर्म विचिकित्सा वा वृत्त विचिकित्सा वा स्यात् ये तत्र ब्राह्मणा आसम्मर्षिणः युक्ता आयुक्ताः अलूक्षा धर्मकामा स्युः यथा ते तत्र वर्तेरन् तथा तत्र वर्तेताः अताभ्या आज्ञातेषु ये तत्र ब्राह्मणा आसम्मर्षिणः युक्ता आयुक्ताः अलूक्षा धर्मकामा स्युः यथा ते तेषु वर्तेरन् तथा तेषु वर्तेताः एष आदेशः एष उपदेशः एषा वेदोपनिषत् एतदनुशासनम् एवमुपासितव्यम् एवमुचैतदुपास्यम् तच्चयोराविनीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शञ्चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः क्षमा प्रार्थनम् यदक्षरपददृष्टं मात्राहीनं तु यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव नारायण नमोऽस्तु ते विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व साईश्वर अपराधसहस्राणि क्रियन्ते हर्निशं मया दासोऽयमिति मां मत्वा क्षमस्व साईश्वर अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष साईश्वर हरि ओम तत्सत् श्री साईश्वरार्पणमस्तु।
We shall now have Bhagwan Shri Sanjay Sai Baba's Ashtottara.
Om Shri Sanjay Sai Babaya Namaha. Om Shri Lakshmi Narayana Swarupaya Namaha. Om Shri Venkateshwara Roopadharine Namaha. Om Shri Shankara Roopaya Namaha. Om Shri Maya Devi Nandanaya Namaha. Om Shri Mandasmita Vadanaya Namaha. Om Shri Hrishikeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Aravinda Lochanaya Namaha. Om Shri Ajanubahuve Namaha. Om Shri Padmapadaya Namaha. Om Shri Suvarna Roopaya Namaha. Om Shri Shankha-Chakradharine Namaha. Om Shri Satchidananda Roopaya Namaha. Om Shri Godavari Tatashirdi-Vasine Namaha. Om Shri Chitravati Tatapatti Nivasine Namaha. Om Shri Pashupatinath Kshetravasine Namaha. Om Shri Ayodhya Puri Vasine Namaha. ॐ श्री मथुरा निवासिने नमः। ॐ श्री अरुणाचलवासिने नमः। ॐ श्री शेषाद्रिक्षेत्रवासिने नमः। ॐ श्री काशीपतये नमः। ॐ श्री बद्रीनाथाय नमः। ॐ श्री गोकर्णवासिने नमः। ॐ श्री रामेश्वर निवासिने नमः। ॐ श्री महाबलेश्वराय नमः। ॐ श्री चिदम्बरेश्वराय नमः। ॐ श्री सर्वभक्तहृदयवासिने नमः। ॐ श्री सर्वदिव्यतीर्थवासिने नमः। ॐ श्री गोप्यरूपाय नमः। ॐ श्री ओजसे नमः। ॐ श्री हिमाचलनिवासिने नमः। ॐ श्री लिङ्गोद्भवकराय नमः। ॐ श्री नाम संकीर्तनप्रियाय नमः। ॐ श्री दिव्यज्ञानात्मने नमः। ॐ श्री विश्ववन्द्याय नमः। ॐ श्री भक्तपालकाय नमः। ॐ श्री बिल्वपत्रार्चनप्रियाय नमः। ॐ श्री यज्ञरूपाय नमः। ॐ श्री सनातनाय नमः। ॐ श्री लीलामृतविग्रहाय नमः। ॐ श्री अनन्ताय नमः। ॐ श्री जगद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ दयानिधये नमः। ॐ श्री करुणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ श्री करुणासागराय नमः। ॐ श्री भक्तसङ्कटनिवारकाय नमः। ॐ श्री हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ श्री सामगानप्रियाय नमः। ॐ श्री अमोघविक्रमाय नमः। ॐ श्री पूर्णाय नमः। ॐ श्री भक्तकल्याणदाय नमः। ॐ श्री महातेजसे नमः। ॐ श्री महाभुजाय नमः। ॐ श्री पद्मनाभाय नमः। ॐ श्री बिन्दुरूपाय नमः। ॐ श्री सूक्ष्मतिसूक्ष्मरूपाय नमः। ॐ श्री विराटरूपाय नमः। ॐ श्री सर्वसम्पन्नप्रदायकाय नमः। ॐ श्री भूतभविष्यद्भाववर्जिताय नमः। ॐ श्री ब्रह्माण्डव्यापकाय नमः। ॐ श्री कालातीताय नमः। ॐ श्री सत्यलोकवासिने नमः। ॐ श्री वेदसे नमः। ॐ श्री वैकुण्ठवासिने नमः। ॐ श्री सर्वसौभाग्यप्रदायकाय नमः। ॐ श्री कैलासवासिने नमः। ॐ श्री दिव्यशक्तिप्रदायकाय नमः। ॐ श्री सुलभदुर्लभाय नमः। ॐ श्री गोलोकवासिने नमः। ॐ श्री इन्द्रदेवालयस्थापकाय नमः। ॐ श्री ऋषिमुनिवन्द्याय नमः। ॐ श्री व्रतफलाय नमः। ॐ श्री वेदान्तसाराय नमः। ॐ श्री सर्वदोषनिवारकाय नमः। ॐ श्री पुण्यचरित्रकीर्तनाय नमः। ॐ श्री त्रैलोकरक्षकाय नमः। ॐ श्री सर्वदेवा श्री गायत्र्ये नमः ॐ श्री वेदमाते नमः ॐ श्री परमहंसाय नमः ॐ श्री परमरहस्याय नमः ॐ श्री समाधिप्रियाय नमः ॐ श्री जागृत्कुण्डलिन्ये नमः ॐ श्री ब्रह्मचारिणे नमः ॐ श्री जन्मयोगिन्ये नमः ॐ श्री आत्मानन्दाय नमः ॐ श्री आनन्दलहर्ये नमः ॐ श्री चैतन्यप्रदाय नमः ॐ श्री नित्यवैभवशालिन्यै नमः ॐ श्री स्वयं प्रकाशाय नमः ॐ श्री आयुरारोग्यधात्रे नमः ॐ श्री अष्टसिद्धये नमः ॐ श्री अष्ट ऐश्वर्यदायिने नमः ॐ श्री सौभाग्यरूपाय नमः ॐ श्री अखण्डशक्तिरूपाय नमः ॐ श्री लक्ष्मीहृदयनिवासाय नमः ॐ श्री सत्पुरुषाय नमः ॐ श्री कमलाकान्ताय नमः ॐ श्री मारुतिप्रियाय नमः ॐ श्री अमृतरूपाय नमः ॐ श्री सर्वान्तर्यामिने नमः ॐ श्री सर्वमङ्गलकराय नमः ॐ श्री भगवान् श्री सञ्जय साई बाबाय नमः
We now have Srimati Yamini Savur from Sai Angel School, Chikmagaluru, talking about Guru Mahima.
ओम श्री साई राम। साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे कमल चरणों में संजय साई मेरे कोटि प्रणाम। What can I say, dear Baba, beloved Baba, that you do not already know? How can I put everything about you, you who are greater and wider and larger than this universe, into these 5 minutes? My human words are inadequate to describe you in a day or in a month with our human words. However, I am very grateful for the graciousness of all these dear Sai brothers and sisters who have given me this opportunity to speak about the Guru on Shri Guru Purnima. As I said, since my words are so inadequate, I would like to narrate a story to bring in the likeness of the Guru. Once, a ship was sailing in the deep seas, a huge ocean around it, and there was a captain with his crew. Suddenly, it began to sink, and everyone's lives were in peril, in danger. The captain of the ship felt he was responsible for all those on board. He had brought them out to sea and they depended on him to steer them through any mishap or through the shores. So he, as is expected, asked them to climb into lifeboats that are available on a ship and drop them to sea. Meanwhile, the ship sank, and the crew and the captain set sail. As they cannot burn a lifeboat too much, they had to carry a few essential food items and some water to drink. Now what happened was they were bang in the middle of the sea and there was nothing around. They looked here and there and no sign of shore. However, they went on and their food stocks exhausted in a couple of days and they started to starve. Now, the captain of the ship, he looked at them and realized their discomfort. They may not have complained, but he understood his crew very well. So, what he did was, he cupped his hands, dipped it into the ocean, and took some water and drank it. And he said, this is very nourishing. Did you know? This is very nutritious. And this is enough to keep us alive for a very long time. Come on, drink. So, all the crew members, they also dipped their hands and they drank. It may not have been very palatable, not very tasty because it is salty seawater, but yet they did it as advised and they felt revived and refreshed. The ship moved on and on, the boat, not the ship, it went on and on because it was now days and nights, day after day, night after night. And it was 40 days and 40 nights. Every day when they felt hungry or thirsty, they started to drink that water. And they survived, they lived. Finally, after 40 days, they found shore. And they came onto land and they were alive. They looked around, they were so thrilled. They had survived. And it was all because of the words of the captain and that they had listened to him. They had followed his advice. Our Guru takes us across troubled oceans. Our Guru Sri Sanjay Sai, at a time like this, during this pandemic, when all of us are so fearful, all of us do not know where our next meal may come from because of so many financial troubles or insecurity. All over the world, people have lost their jobs, and yet our Sanjay Sai looks after all of us so well, so clearly. Let us reaffirm our faith in our Guru, who inspires us every minute when we think about him, with all that compassion that he shows for us. Let us be as compassionate as him. We cannot match him because he is the one who knows the divine and who is the divine incarnate. We are so very blessed to have Sanjay Sai in physical form. हमें शक्ति दो मेरे संजय साई शिवा, हमें मुक्ति दो मेरे संजय साई शिवा, हमें भक्ति दो मेरे संजय साई शिवा. Once again, my humble pronouns to the Kamal Charan of our most beloved and gracious Guru Sri Sanjay Sai.
Swami's mother in Chikmagaluru, Srimati Vijaya Nagesh, will share her experience with our beloved Bhagwan.
Om Shri Sai Ram, my humble pronouns at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Shri Sanjay Sai Baba, my Jagat Guru, my God and my dear son. Today I am very happy that I am able to call my son for this program. And I need to tell about my experience with my dear Swami. As a child, I was introduced to Sri Shirdi Baba and Sri Sathya Sai Baba by my mother. So she told me, this is your Guru and this is your God. And I got the opportunity to join the Bal Vikas. I was the first batch student and Swami gave a lot of love and he started giving gifts to all the Bal Vikas students. That was greatest interest for all the children to join Bal Vikas. Then we realized what all we attained there. And then again I was the first pre-Sevadal student. And then slowly Bal Vikas Guru's training and Sevadal. That time I used to feel why Swami is very close to many people and he was very loving and we got his Guru whatever advice and then his teachings, everything we got during summer course.
And later on, we were satisfied with whatever opportunities we got, but somewhere in the mind it was there for me. Yeah, I should have been more closer to Swami. That remained in my mind, and years passed. And somewhere in the year 2006, it was a loving invitation from my husband, the humble invitation from my husband, Sri Nagesh. He invited Sri Sanjay Sai Baba to India. Then the Lord himself, Lord Sri Satyanarayana, came to India, first to our house in Chikmagalur. The moment he landed, he said, "This is my house." And my husband was full of love for Swami. I had to look after a guest. That was in my mind, because everything was embedded in my mind. Shirdi Baba and Satya Sai Baba. Then it took 3 years, and again our Jagat Guru had to give me the jnana, and it's a very powerful miracle. And because I call him as my Sadguru and Jagat Guru, he himself had to give the jnana to realize the God. So I realized my Guru, I realized my God. So since then, we are very happy that Lord is with us. Even for every avatar, they require a Guru. But here we have Sadguru himself as our God. So this is what I want to tell my sisters, my brothers, that make the best opportunity to get the blessings from Baba. So what he asks is the pure love and the discipline, because when it comes to discipline, his military. When it comes to our bhakti, he showers so much of love. So let us pray and leave everything at his divine lotus feet. So I'm sure my Baba will shower his choicest blessings on all of us on this Guru Purnima day. Jai Sai Ram, my humble pranams again, Swami, at your lotus feet.
Up next is a Bharatnatyam performance, Natana Madinar, by Kumari Hamsa from Chikmagaluru. Waiting to share with us one among his many divine experiences is Sri Narendra Bhatt from Jaipura.
साई राम। स्वामी का चरण में वंदन करते हुए इस पवित्र गुरु पूर्णिमा का टाइम में मैं स्वामी के साथ हुआ मेरा एक एक्सपीरियंस आप लोगों से शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। 2016 में जन्माष्टमी का टाइम में मुझे स्वामी के साथ आश्रम में रहने के लिए एक चांस मिला। जन्माष्टमी का एक 2-3 दिन के बाद स्वामी जब मुझे बुद्धनगर का स्कूल में जाते हैं उस टाइम मुझे भी स्वामी लेके गए। हर स्कूल में जैसा सीसीटीवी कैमरा लगा हुआ था उधर भी सीसी कैमरा लगा हुआ है और एक बड़ा स्क्रीन स्वामी का ऑफिस रूम में भी है जहां स्वामी सब कुछ बैठ के देख सकते हैं। दोपहर लंच का टाइम था। मैं समीन भैया और स्वामी का दीदी LKG का नर्सरी जो बोलते हैं ना उधर स्कूल में क्लासरूम में बैठ के खाना खा रहे थे। सब लोग खाना खा रहे थे। तब स्पीकर में आवाज़ आ गया, साइलेंस प्लीज, 5th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट्स साइलेंस प्लीज। स्वामी का आवाज़ आ गया। मैं ऐसा ऊपर सब देखा, माइक्रोफोन किधर लगाया हुआ है? माइक्रोफोन तो है नहीं है। तो स्वामी को कैसे मालूम पड़ा कि 5th स्टैंडर्ड बच्चे ही गलाटा कर रहे हैं? तो मैंने समीन से पूछा, माइक्रोफोन लगाया क्या इधर? वो समीन ने बोला नहीं है। तो मैंने बोला स्वामी को कैसा मालूम पड़ता है कि इतना क्लासरूम में से सिर्फ 5th स्टैंडर्ड बच्चे ही गलाटा कर रहे हैं? तो उन्होंने बोला कि वो लिप्स मूवमेंट होता है ना उससे स्वामी पहचान जाते हैं और जो बच्चे लोग क्या कर रहे हैं वो मालूम पड़ जाता है। हाँ, मैंने भी हाँ सोच। तुरंत स्वामी ने बोला, समीन ने बोला कि देखो स्वामी सब कुछ देख सकते हैं, सब कुछ सुन सकते हैं सब। मैंने बोला सही है, स्वामी सब कुछ देखते हैं सुनते हैं, सही है। फिर भी अभी वो शरीर में है, उधर कुछ ऑफिस रूम में काम कर रहे होंगे, कुछ किसी से बात कर रहे होंगे। उसी टाइम में तो ये भी कैसा देख सकते हैं सबका? अभी मैं तो आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, ये सब कैसा सुन सकते हैं? इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल। ऐसा हमारा ये हो गया, 2-4 बात हो गया। तो लास्ट ही समीन ने बोला तुम एक काम करो, तुम आज जब आश्रम में जाते हो ना स्वामी से पूछ लेना। मुझे भी अच्छा लगा, सही बात है, ठीक है। जब आश्रम पहुँचे 4-4:30 बजे या 5 बजे, स्वामी से पूछा। स्वामी जब अंदर गए वो अपना रूम में नहीं गए, बाहर बैठे थे। तो हमने स्वामी से निवेदन किया, स्वामी आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं? हाँ। स्वामी ने बोला ऐसा सब। मैंने बोला स्वामी ने ऐसा सब जो भी स्कूल में वो बताया और स्वामी से पूछा ऐसा आप सुन सकते हैं क्या? हाँ, देखो मैं तुम्हारे पास सभी बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं भी सब सुन सकता हूँ, मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा। मैं स्वामी से पूछा, नहीं स्वामी ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं, आप सब सुन सकते हैं, सही बात है। फिर भी अभी आप मुझसे बात कर रहे हैं, अभी 1 to 1 eye to eye ऐसा बात हो रहा है, तो अब कैसा सुनाई दे सकता है? तब स्वामी का वर्ड ये था, देखो मैं तुमसे बात कर रहा हूँ, तुम्हारा बात सुन रहा हूँ, यही टाइम में मैं एक छोटे से छोटा बैक्टीरिया का भी बात सुन रहा हूँ। मुझे आश्चर्य हो गया, हाउ इट पॉसिबल? तो होगा ही नहीं है, क्योंकि कान में तो कुछ जैसा अभी इतना 4 आवाज़ 2 आवाज़ नहीं सुन सकते हैं ऐसा। क्या है समझ में नहीं आया, छोड़ो बात, छोड़ दिया। उसी दिन स्वामी आश्रम का मेरे रूम पे आ गए। तो स्वामी से बोला मैंने, दूसरा बात टॉपिक कि स्वामी मेरा माइंड इतना चंचल है, तंग आ गया इससे, मुझे बाहर आना है इससे। स्वामी बोले तुमको इससे बाहर इसलिए नहीं आना आता है, तुम कभी भी गोल्ड शॉप में बैठते हो। गोल्ड बोले तो गोल्ड का रेडिएशन ऐसा आता है, वो राजसिक होता है, वो फीलिंग उसका वो जो रेडिएशन तुमको अफेक्ट करता है। देखो बहुत लोग कस्टमर आते हैं, स्टाफ्स रहते हैं, उनका सब रेडिएशन होता है, इसलिए तुम्हारा मन से चंचल होता है। तो मेरे मन में आया, मेरा पिताजी इतना सौम्य स्वभाव है, उनका कुछ क्यों नहीं होता है? वो तो मेरे जैसा नहीं है, बहुत सौम्य है, कभी भी भक्त कर रहे हैं। मैं ऐसा सोच रहा था। तो स्वामी ने इमीडिएट, तुम्हारा पिताजी को इसलिए नहीं होता कि वो साइलिन है, उनको साइलिन इतना है कि स्वामी का स्पीच यदि वो हिब्रू भाषा में आया तो वो भी सुनते हैं। ये भी मुझे कुछ मालूम नहीं पड़ा, छोड़ दिया। अभी बात हुआ उसके बाद तो 4 दिन के बाद मैं घर नेपाल से जयपुरा वापस आ रहा था, कर्नाटक मेरा गांव को। तो ऑन द वे बेंगलोर में एयरपोर्ट से सीधा बस में बस में बैठ के ऐसा आ रहा था, तो बस में वो जो ड्राइवर था मेरा दोस्त था। तो जाके पहले तो सो गया, बाद में 2 बजे जब चंद्रायपट्टा के पास चाय के लिए उतरता है तो चाय पीने के बाद मेरा नींद उड़ गया, और ऐसा ड्राइवर से बात हुआ तो ड्राइवर बोला किधर से आए हो, ऐसा सब हो गया। तो जब स्वामी का नाम आया, बोला स्वामी के बारे में कुछ बता सकते हैं क्या। मैंने शुरू किया स्वामी का सब ऐसा बात करते करते ये जो स्वामी के बाद ऐसा तो स्कूल में हुआ, ये बोला ऐसा बोलते बोलते मुझे सडन याद आ गया। इन 2007 when I have not seen संजय साई at that time, मेरे पिताजी ने तो देखा हुआ था उस टाइम। दुकान में पिताजी का एक सिस्टम था, पिताजी स्कूल इधर जयपुरा स्कूल के सत्य साई स्कूल का चेयरमैन भी है, तो उनका सिस्टम था कि उनके पास 2 मोबाइल में एक मोबाइल तो साई रेडियो, कभी भी स्वामी का स्पीच आता रहता था, और एक मोबाइल में ऐसा फ़ोन लेते स्कूल का एडमिशन का बात होता है, ये सब एडमिशन बात होता है अप्रैल में ही, और अप्रैल में ही दुकान में गर्दी रहता है, मैरिज सीज़न है उस हिसाब से। और मेरा पिताजी से बहुत बार टाइम हो गया, क्यों आप इतना 3 काम कैसा करते, बिल भी लेते हो, कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया तो प्रॉब्लम है ना करके। उनके हाथ में कभी गड़बड़ नहीं हुआ, मैंने भी बहुत बार देखा हुआ है, बहुत सर्च किया कि वो गड़बड़ होता है कि नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। वो कैसा मैनेज करते हैं भगवान ही जानते हैं, मुझे तो मालूम नहीं है, मुझे तो होता नहीं है 3 काम एक साथ करने को। एक बार ऐसा रश हुआ तो मैं सीधा उधर गया कैश के पास जहाँ बिलिंग होता है, तो सुनाई देता है कि एक फ़ोन से बात कर रहे हैं, एक जगह बिल लगा रहे हैं, पैसा भी ले रहे हैं, और एक जगह से वो रेडियो से ऐसा आवाज़ आ रहा है। मैं आवाज़ सुना, ये इंग्लिश नहीं है, जो मैं जानता हूँ इंडियन भाषा ही नहीं है, टोटल इंडिया का थोड़ा तो ग्लिम्स होता है, ये भाषा इधर का है, ऐसा ये इंडिया से बाहर का भाषा है। तब सडन में उस बस में मुझे याद आ, अरे स्वामी ने, मैं उधर माना नहीं ना स्वामी का बात, जो उन्होंने बोला कि मैं बैक्टीरिया की भी बात सुनता हूँ, उसके लिए ये हिब्रू भाषा का मैं भी सुना है उस दिन। कब का 2007 का बात, 2016 में स्वामी मुझसे बोल रहे हैं तुम्हारा पिताजी जेब में डाल के साई का जो रेडियो साई में जो हिब्रू भाषा में जो स्पीच आता था वो भी सुन रहे, वो भी सुना है मैंने। 2007 का बात मुझे याद, मुझे उधर आश्रम में कुछ भी याद नहीं आया, जब बस में बैठ के तब भी याद, तब स्वामी ने सुना, ऐसा सोचा होगा देखो भुत्तू ये इसको ऐसा डायरेक्ट बोला तो भी उसको अकल नहीं है, आता नहीं है। बाद में स्वामी को अभी भी सुनाई था, अभी तो इसका स्क्रू सब ठीक करेंगे करके वो बस में मुझे याद आ गया, अरे बाप रे बाप क्या भूल गया मैं, ऐसा करके तब याद आ गया अरे स्वामी क्या ओमनी प्रेजेंस है। दैट इज़, मैं इतना ही बताना चाहता हूँ कि हम भूलते हैं, सब बात बोलते हैं, स्वामी नहीं बोलते हैं। स्वामी हर वक्त, जैसा स्वामी का वर्ड्स है, वो मुझसे बात करते हुए किसी जैसा अभी बहुत लोगों से सेमिनार करते हैं, वे भी वो बैक्टीरिया का भी बात सुनते हैं। इतना ये है, हम भगवान को समझने का नामुमकिन ही है, इम्पॉसिबल, बट एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। इतना बोल के, इतना मेरा जो मैंने बोला है सब स्वामी का चरण में अर्पित करते हुए साई राम।
Kumari Saumyashri Nagesh from Chikmagaluru will now offer her melodious Sangeet to the Lord.
Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwarah Gurur Sakshat तस्मै श्री पलकी झुलते हरोच दत्तांची पलकी निघालोगे हो ना दत्तांची पलकी दिगंबरा दिगंबरा श्रीपाद वल्लभ दिगंबरा 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 श्रीपाद वल्लभ दिगंबरा रत्नांची अरसा साज मखमली त्यावर सुगंधी फुले गोड ओले रत्नांची अरसा साज मखमली त्यावर सुगंधी फुले गोड ओले झुलुक कुवली चंदन सरकी झुलुक कुवली चंदन सरकी निघालोगे हो ना दत्तांची पलकी आम्ही भाग्यवाना आनंदाने दाना झुलते हरोज दत्तांची पलकी झुलते हरोज दत्तांची पलकी निघालोगे हो ना दत्तांची पलकी दिगंबरा दिगंबरा श्रीपाद वल्लभ दिगंबरा 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 श्रीपाद वल्लभ दिगंबरा सात जन्मक्षी लाभले पुण्याही सात जन्मक्षी लाभले पुण्याही मोहन जालो पालक्षीचे बोई मोहन जालो पालक्षीचे बोई शांतमय मूर्ती पहाटे सरकी शांतमय मूर्ती पहाटे सरकी निघालोगे हो ना दत्तांची पलकी आम्ही भाग्यवाना आनंदाने दाना झुलते हरोज दत्तांची पलकी झुलते हरोज दत्तांची पलकी निघालोगे हो ना दत्तांची पलकी दिगंबरा दिगंबरा श्रीपाद वल्लभ दिगंबरा 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 श्रीपाद वल्लभ दिगंबरा 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 श्रीपाद वल्लभ दिगंबरा 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 श्रीपाद वल्लभ दिगंबरा.
Up next, Srimati Sujita and Sri Venkatesh from Florida, USA will narrate their divine experiences with Swami.
Om Shri Sai Ram. Humble Pranam Swami. So very kind of dear Swami to bless us with his divine darshan on our visits to India. Thank you, Swami. Swami is all love and caring. He is there giving us support every time we need him, which is all the time. Thank you, Swami. In one of my visits, I had the privilege of traveling with Swami from Bengaluru to Chikmagaluru. Swami suddenly asked me what I would do if we got stopped on the way by devotees to garland him. This question he asked because he knew that I had a phobia problem with flowers. I replied by saying, I would do anything for you, Swami. In my mind, I was telling to Swami, you know it all and will take care. As expected, we got stopped and Karthik, along with Sai devotees of Chikmagaluru, stopped us at the entrance of the town. Swami was welcomed with a jasmine garland. You all know how strong jasmine flowers fragrance is. But to my astonishment, I could not smell at all. He then gracefully gave the garland to be kept away from me and smilingly said, "She doesn't like it, no?" So sweetly, just overwhelmed me. This is just one such incident of Swami's care and love towards his children. Reached home, and again one of the evenings I was asked by Swami to garland him. Swami made me wait holding the garland for almost 15 minutes. When I garlanded Swami, he was so loving, like a father, and gifted me with a precious gold chain, which I consider as a protection armor. So very kind of you, Swami. Thank you. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, dear Swami, for blessing my mother and helping her with her dialysis. Now she is free of it by your grace. We don't know how to thank you for all the love and kindness you shower upon us. Please continue to keep us under your grace and guidance. We surrender our love to you, Swami. We are looking forward for our visit to Nepal once you vanish this coronavirus. Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram. Humble pranam to the lotus feet. We had the privilege of meeting Swami and greeting Swami for the first time in 2008. We had Swami's darshan at Sangeeta and Gopi's residence in Bengaluru. Then we were fortunate to travel with Swami to Nagesh and Vijaya's residence in Chikmagalur. It was truly a divine experience. We saw Swami's concern and love for all his devotees. First night, after dinner, we spent several hours with Swami in the living room. He was full of grace. He materialized Vibhuti for all of us. One of the few miracles that I remember is that Swami created life. Swami created 2 butterflies in front of us and let it fly around the house. We could see them until Swami was there for 3 days. They just vanished after Swami left Chikmagaluru. Next evening, after the Aarti at the Sai temple, Swami materialized a beautiful diamond ring and blessed me. Since 2008, I had the privilege of taking Swami's darshan several times in Bengaluru and Chikmagaluru. Waiting eagerly to visit Swami's ashram in Nepal. I strongly believe Swami is there in my heart all the time, guiding me every step of the way. Thank you, Swami. Om Sai Ram.
Srimati Anita Lokabhiram from Bengaluru will now talk about the immense blessing of Swami in her life.
Om Shri Sai Ram. My humble pranams at the lotus feet of Shri Sanjay Sai Baba. I feel extremely humbled, blessed to share my experiences. When I was asked to speak, I was completely lost of really thinking of what to say and how to say, and to count on the blessings that I've received every second, every minute from the time I surrendered to Bhagavan Shri Sanjay Sai Baba. 2013, I got a call from Nagesh Anna and Aarti saying Swami is going to grace your house. I was shocked that minute, but I said Atiti Devo Bhava because I knew blessings were on his way. When Swami came to me, to my house in Kutir, Prashanti Nilayam at Bangalore, I had nothing to give him, nothing to offer, because I had nothing with me except to surrender myself. I was exactly like the way the cobbler that we read in Sri Satya Sai Narayana Katha. Swami had said, I come to give and not to take. I only expect your pure love in the form of devotion. That's exactly what I had to offer Swami. When Swami came, I was just a therapist working with special children of autism spectrum disorder as Swami's project. After Swami graced my house in 2013, within 10 days, I was the HOD of Disha Foundation. 10 days back, again, when I was asked to speak or share my experiences of all the miracles that I have undergone or I have experienced, now I don't remain anymore as the HOD, but I am graced with Sai Krupa Foundation, where with his Krupa, I continue to work with special children, autism spectrum disorder. Believe me, I was completely lost. For almost 2 weeks, I kept wondering how to speak within 4 minutes. It's like asking to drink the oceans of 7 seas within 7 seconds. Swami, it's every second, all your blessings. Today I hear following you with your guidance and blessings with Krupa Foundation in my lap. 10 days back, least did I know I will have this. June 10th, I was blessed with my foundation, and 2 days later, the funds from the bank which I had asked 2 years back, I got transferred into my account. If it is not your blessing or miracle, what is it, Swami? I cannot understand your miracles. Only you can explain. I am here only to experience with all your blessings. I am extremely humbled. Please save the world from COVID, as we all have surrendered to you. Without you, the world cannot exist. I pray to you with all my humble pranams. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you for every miracle, every second that I am experiencing. You have elevated my life to an upper house of God. Thank you, Swami.
Kumari Shweta from Sai Arts International, Bangalore, will present a dance performance depicting Ma Kali. Sri Somashekar, also from Sai Arts International, will now offer a dance on Shiva Tandava Stotram.
गा
Srimati Nivedita and Sri Naveen Ganesh from Bangalore will now narrate how Swami has been a constant companion in their lives.
Om Shri Sai Ram. Our humble pranams, the divine lotus feet of our beloved Bhagavan.
Pranam Swami. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. We have been given the greatest divine opportunity to have the world's master, God and guide as our own Guru. Thank you, Swami. We would like to share some experiences today with all of you on this beautiful occasion of Guru Purnima.
It was 2016 July. That was the first time we went to Nepal for Guru Purnima. Kanakadurga was 2.5, 3 years old. Vividly remember it was the Bhumi Puja for Punyavati Kshetra. So food was arranged for everybody. And then we came to know that Swami had specifically arranged for separate food for Kanakadurga. He'd asked for food to be prepared without too much salt and too much spice. And then we were called into the tent. I don't know what happened. Suddenly something prompted in me. I told Swami, will you please feed her with your own hands? And our ever-loving Swami, he obliged and he said yes. And he did the Annaprashan for Kanakadurga that day. It was such a memorable day for us. Such a blessing in Kanakadurga's life. And then I would like to share another incident that happened during 2018, December, when Swami had come down to Chikmagalur. We'd driven from Bangalore to Chikmagalur. I used to have a very serious case of motion sickness. I cannot sit in the car and drive for a very long time. I used to get nausea, I used to get dizziness. when we drove from Bangalore to Chikmagalur, it was very, very bad. Most of the journey, I was lying down in the back seat. And then from Chikmagalur, we were to go to Annapurneshwari temple. From there, we were to go to Sringeri and Jaipura. On the way to Annapurneshwari temple, we actually stopped on the roadside tea shop. And I went and I sat down at a table. When Swami came, we all got up. Swami said, no, sit down. At that time, my headache and dizziness was very, very bad. So he saw my face and he asked, are you okay? What happened? I said, Swami, I'm feeling very dizzy. This happens during travel. He didn't say anything. He kept quiet. He said, okay. And then we went to Annapurneshwari temple. By then, my motion sickness had become very bad. All of them had gotten down from the car and gone inside the temple. I couldn't get down from the car at all. I said, Naveen, you please go. I will stay here. I'm not even able to open my eyes. Naveen said, it's okay, you try. He pulled me out of the car. He literally had to pull me out of the car and we went into the temple. After all the puja, we had lunch. We came back to the car. I was feeling better. And from Annapurneshwari temple, we went to Jaipura. I didn't really realize that my motion sickness had reduced by then. In Jaipura, immediately when Swami saw me, he asked me, are you okay now? I said, yes, Swami, I'm feeling all right now. And from that day on, until now, there has been no motion sickness for me. And obviously, it's Swami's blessing. He doesn't say much, but I truly believe that Swami cured me of motion sickness that day.
That was a wonderful experience. And it also shows how much Swami loves us and takes care of us. Whether he is there physically nearby or not, he's always looking after us. Now, I would like to narrate one experience that I had. This was immediately after Swami's birthday in 2019. I was not able to make it for Swami's birthday. So we wanted to go and take his darshan at Kathmandu after the birthday. It was the end of January. So this experience really shows his omniscience, omnipotence, and omnipresence. So what happened, we had booked a flight on Jet Airways at that time. It was still functional. So when we got to the airport, the flight was at 10 o'clock, so we got to the airport around 6:30. When we went to the check-in counter, we were told that the flight has been cancelled. And when I inquired about this, they mentioned messages were already sent out. And when I looked at my phone, we had received two messages, one at 4:30 and one at 6 o'clock. And for some reason, I didn't see both of those messages. And it was not just me. I had three more people who were also traveling along with me. Their specific mobile numbers were also given as part of the ticket. So all of them, all three of us, all four of us got the message, but none of us saw it. So we ended up at the airport at 6 o'clock without knowing that the flight was cancelled. And we really wanted to go to Kathmandu and have Swami's darshan. So somehow we wanted to leave on that flight. So we were asking the counter to arrange another flight or put us in another flight on the same day. So they said, please wait, we will get back to you. We waited for about 1 hour. And Swami's miracle, the flight which was cancelled, the same flight was actually reinstated. And we very well know if we would have seen those messages earlier in the evening that day, we would have not gone to the airport at all. Somehow we made it to the airport. Somehow the flight which was cancelled was brought back. It became operational. And all four of us, we got into the flight and reached Kathmandu the next morning. So this really shows, if you truly believe in Swami and you want to do something, if your intention is good, Swami helps us and guides us all through the way. Thank you, Swami, for being with us, always guiding us and giving us the opportunity to have your darshan, sparshan and sambhashan so frequently. We pray to you that the whole world is filled with light, love, peace and joy. Thank you, Swami.
Thank you, Swami.
Pranam, Swami. Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Sai Ram.
Srimati Sangeeta and Shri Gopinath will now enthrall us with beautiful compositions on Swami, followed by a mesmerizing drums performance by Shri Gopinath, a renowned percussion artist across India. Shri Gopinath's performance, shown here, was recorded at an event in Tirupati.
Pranams to your lotus feet, Swami. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity given to us to sing for Guru Purnima. We have specially composed these songs for Guru Purnima, and the second one, that is Vishesha Janana, is specially composed keeping you in mind, Swami, this avatar.
Swami, for giving us this opportunity to offer our humble presentation at your divine lotus feet. We thank one and all present here for being part of Karnataka chapter's Guru Purnima celebrations. We now offer the Mangala Aarti for our beloved Bhagavan.
जय संजय बाबा ओम जय संजय बाबा सत्य सनातन निर्मल सत्य सनातन निर्मल हे जग के दाता ओम जय संजय बाबा सुमधुर सुंदर वैभव कमल दले क्षणहे स्वामी कमल दले क्षणहे काषायाम्बर धारण काषायाम्बर धारण पंकज चरण नमो ओम जय संजय बाबा परमेश्वर परमानंद नमो स्वामी परमानंद नमो परम पूज्य साईश्वर परम पूज्य साईश्वर आत्मानंद नमो ओम जय संजय बाबा लक्ष्मी नारायण मूर्ति शुभदायक भगवान स्वामी शुभदायक भगवान सकल जगत के रक्षक सकल जगत के रक्षक मंगलकर प्रभु ओम जय संजय बाबा ओम जय संजय बाबा ओम जय संजय बाबा सत्य सनातन निर्मल सत्य सनातन निर्मल हे जग के दाता ओम जय संजय बाबा ओम जय संजय बाबा ओम जय संजय बाबा
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Sai Ram.